This is the Kingston Fury Renegade 6000 megatransfers per second. So the one I have here is the 96 gig, so 2 times 48. And we're gonna go ahead and do some benchmarks on this. And for now, let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it looks like. And here's a close-up here, just so you can go ahead and see the heatsink here. So we got a nice amount of heatsink and also the thickness of this as well. So we got the Fury logo there and at the top as well. And at the back, we have some of the information here. One of these weighs just around 47 grams. And for anyone wanting to see the size, so here we are in centimeters. Checking out our system setup here, which we're going to be using for the benchmarks and the game test here. And the first benchmark is the IDA64. And the first test we can see there, the DOCP disabled, which can go up to 4800 megatransfers per second. And then the next one is with the DOCP2, which can go to the 6000. Next, I'm running the Procyon office productivity here, and we got a score of 6,356, and we can go ahead and see some of the information here, the detailed score. Next, looking at a game benchmark here, we have the Cyberpunk 2077, and all the settings are at ultra, and everything is in native, and this is the score we're getting here. If there's any game or software you want me to go ahead and test out with this Kingston DDR5, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to do that. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and leave a like below. I'll see you on the next video.